1964 Cadillac Sedan DeVille 4-window, 1972 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, 1994 Cadillac Fleetwood, all at my shop. So the good news is the 72 finally came home, and now the fun begins. I got to pull the interior. I have to put in the new carpets I ordered for her. I have to get this paint looking better. I have to do some blow-ins and address all the cosmetics, and then she would be good to go. It's been a long time since she was here last fall. Rolled off the trailer to driving home under her own power. It's certainly a perfectly driving automobile now. Just gotta make her drive and make her look as good as she looks now. All the girls are together again. All right. It's been a great day, and stay tuned and see what happens next. Hello, it's the following morning. I just swapped some Cadillacs around here because I need the 72 nearest the shop to do all the body work for it. My plan is to do all the body work and sanding outside, then pull it undercover to do the blow-ins and the painting. Before I do that though, I decided to service the 64 because it's going to be my daily driver. So it's up on the ramps, getting all the fluids changed and a full tune-up, and she's good to go for the season. So stay tuned for the 72 with the 71 deck lid. The number of comments I get on this is pretty interesting. That's a 71, not a 72. No, it's a 72 with a 71 deck lid. So what happened, obviously, at some point in the early 70s or before 1980, I bet it was damaged, and this was floating around somewhere, and a body shop, wrecking yard, who knows, Cadillac dealer, and they put a 71 deck lid on the 72 Cadillac. But that's the louvers are the only thing from the 71. Underneath, there's nothing else hooked up. So it's just a basic hood. So I hope next time you see this car, it will be a lot better looking than this bleached out paint with chips. All right, stay tuned, and I'll see you all down the road.